In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView step-by-step 2025 for beginners. Whether you're tracking stocks, crypto, or Forex, this walkthrough will help you get comfortable fast and build a clean, reliable workspace. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com, then log into your account. Any modern browser works fine. If it's your first time, a free account is enough to follow along. Once you're in, head to the top menu and click Chart. This opens the main charting interface where you'll do most of your analysis. If you see a default symbol, don't worry, we'll change it next. Look to the top left corner for the symbol search bar. Start typing the ticker or asset name you want, then pick the correct market, such as stock, crypto, or Forex, and the exchange that matches your needs. The chart will update instantly to that instrument. Now let's add indicators. On the top toolbar, click Indicators and Strategies, the flask icon. Use the search to find popular tools like RSI, MACD, or Moving Average, and click to add them to your chart. You can add more than one, and they'll appear either over your price chart or in panels below, so you can read momentum and trend at a glance. To annotate your ideas, open the drawing tools from the left sidebar, the pencil icon. Choose lines, channels, icons, or text to mark support and resistance, trend directions, or notes to yourself. Click on the chart to place them precisely. Clean markups help you revisit your analysis with clarity. When you want to be notified without staring at the screen, set alerts. On the right sidebar, click the bell icon. Create alerts for specific price levels, indicator conditions, or strategy signals. Choose your condition and how you want it to trigger, and TradingView will let you know when it happens. If you're practicing or ready to trade, open the trading panel at the bottom. Connect to paper trading to simulate orders with virtual funds, or connect to a supported broker to place real trades right from the chart. To keep an eye on multiple assets, open Watchlists on the right sidebar. Add symbols you want to track, and when you want to share your list, use the copy link feature for a quick handoff. Before you wrap up, save your work. Click the layout icon in the top right, then choose Save Layout or Create New Layout to preserve your indicators, drawings, and preferences. Finally, customize your environment. Click the Chart Settings gear icon to adjust scales, colors, time zone, sessions, and other preferences so the chart matches your workflow. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for